Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today we will be making some very healthy Mediterranean dish. It's called falafel. I think everybody likes falafel. So whenever we go to Mediterranean restaurants, we always order falafel. So we are going to make today very easy. Please follow the directions. We're going to it's very fast and it doesn't take too long, to cook this dish. So let's go ahead and check the ingredients and start making it. Okay friends, to make a falafel sandwich, we need these garbanzo beans. I soaked them in the water overnight and I took 2 cups, so it's going to be like double this. When you soak them, it's going to be double the size. And I have 1 small cup of parsley, and I have 1 small maybe not even half a cup of onions. Then I have a cumin powder 1 spoon, and I have a coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and I have a baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, and I have salt 1 teaspoon, but you can put it as much as you like it. Some people eat salt, a lot of salt, and some people don't eat salt at all. And this is some 4 cloves of garlic. I chopped them. And this pepper, you don't have to put it in there. In my family, we like it spicy, so we are putting it. It's not in the recipe, but it's optional. Okay, let's go grind all this mixture. So we're gonna put in the food processor and we're gonna grind it coarsely. Okay, let's go do it. Okay, let's grind this. I'm gonna put all these beans, the garbanzo beans in here. White chickpeas, get all the white chickpeas, and here goes parsley, and onion. Put in this green pepper, green chilies, and garlic. And salt. The rest of the other ingredients we're going to add it later. So let's start grinding this. Okay, we do not want to grind too soft. So let's see if it's enough. To grind a little bit more. It will be done. Please do not add any water. Then when you are frying, you're going to have the problem. No water. You cannot grind this in the blender. You have to have a food processor for this to grind. Let's see. Okay, it's done. We're going to remove it in the bowl. Always unplug your food processor or blender or whatever. It's kind of dangerous. Okay, we grinded this. Did you see the consistency? It's not very coarse. It's not very soft. It's like that, so when you're making, they don't break. Now we are going to add cumin powder, and then we're going to add coriander powder and some baking powder. So we're going to mix everything together. make this and keep it in the freezer. You can freeze them. You can put it in the refrigerator. You can make a bunch of it. So whenever you don't have the time, when you really pressing for the time, you can just heat it up. Or you can eat that, or you can take it for lunch. Because it's easy lunch. If you can take it to the office or maybe school, wherever you're going. So it's really good lunch, and easy lunch, and healthy. So, okay, I always modified my recipes. This recipe I'm gonna be frying some for you to show it to you, but I'm gonna be pan frying some because we don't deep fry at my house. So I'm gonna show you both ways. That's your choice. If you want to deep fry, you can deep fry them, or you can want to pan fry, you can pan fry them. Okay. See, I'm gonna take my cookie scooper. Make it really tight like that. Maybe make it the oil is hot. I'm going to put one in there. And another one. It's really easy making with this cookie presser. It comes out in oil very nicely. Done. Voila. Falafels. Crispy from outside and soft inside. And now we're gonna do pan frying. So I'm gonna take this pan. Pan fry. I'll take some oil from here and use it in here. A little bit. Oops. So I make my own tahini. Tahini goes with these sandwiches. So tahini is sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds, grinded with sesame oil and a little bit of salt. That's it. And I made beetroots and turnip pickles too. That's also very good with it. Maybe if you wanted the recipe, just request me, I'll make it. So, even I made today homemade pita breads. This really came out very good, very soft. I can give you the recipes if anybody wants the recipe for the pita bread. It's very easy to make. Actually, I use olive oil to pan fry, but I put it today kind of light. Yeah, this cookie presser is really good to make the same size balls. can even use the meatball maker. You can even buy that equipment. I love to buy these little tools. They're really so useful, and really whenever I go to store, I'm always looking for the little tools to make my work easier. I think that side is done, so we are going to be turning around. Like this done now, that's one side. So as good as you deep fry. I even take the cookie sheet and just bake them in the oven sometimes. Okay, I think I'm going to cover it for a few minutes. So the inside gets cooked. Okay guys, this is done. So let's go assemble the sandwich. Okay, we have everything over here to make a sandwich. I have tahini, sesame seed paste, and I have some vegetables, cucumbers, tomatoes and onions, and I made homemade beet and turnip pickle. I made this a couple of days ago. And then I made pita bread myself. I just made one of them. It's so soft, so nice and soft. See? You can buy in the store the soft pita bread. So okay, we'll put first some tahini in there. Then put some falafels. Okay, falafel, tahini, and then a little bit of onions. Some tomatoes. Tomatoes, whenever you're putting in a sandwich, always remove the seeds, otherwise it's gonna get saggy. And some cucumbers. And some beetroots and turnip. Okay. This really tastes good, this pickle in the sandwich. Okay. I think that's it. Look at that. You can wrap it and eat it. Okay friends, this is the falafel sandwich. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments, please write me so I know what you think about my videos and what you want to learn more stuff, anything. Just let me know, okay? Bye, see you in the next video.